Hello everyone, I'm going to give you a really short tutorial on how to access Google Classroom, especially if you're a first-time user, for classes coming up this Monday, April 27th. What you're seeing is my desktop. You're going to access a web browser. I myself am using Chrome and have gone incognito for privacy purposes. Up at the navigation toolbar, you are going to enter classroom.google.com. Enter. If you have never used Google and do not have a Gmail nor a Google account, you will see this screen. If you already have an existing account, you are going to add another account. If you already have an existing Gmail or Google account, you are going to add an account. I myself am pretending that there's never been an account. I go into the right-hand corner, Google Classroom. I will see this. And if you've clicked the option of add another account, you will also see this. Here, you will enter your student's 6-digit user ID. You will enter your student's 6-digit user ID, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, at STU for student, dot Sandy for San Diego Unified School District, .net for network. This is what it should look like with your student's user ID. Now, to access your child's user ID, you will get a piece of paper. You got a piece of paper that looked like this in the beginning of the year or sometime last semester. If you do not have this, your child's teacher could give you this information. I've blanked mine out for privacy purposes. This is a 6-digit user ID that you will use for at stu.sandy.net. This 6-digit user ID. Okay? Once you've done that in that previous screen, it will take you to this. Here it will prompt you to put in the student's user ID and password. Okay, we're going to go back so I can show you. Again, if you don't have this, your student's teacher could give it to you. They're now going to put exactly user ID and password. Now, most of your children, most students have that memorized. Okay, you will put that here, the 6-digit code and the 9-digit password that they have. So as soon as you put in your child's user ID and password, you're going to be taken to Google Classroom. If they are not part of a classroom yet, some teachers have given them a password that they could use. Again, you could access that from your child's teacher. If not, mine is already part of Mullins Group C, and there's already an assignment. Perfect. So this is a quick way to get to Google Classroom. Again, if you do not know your child's user ID or password, please contact your teacher so we can be all ready for Monday. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope this helps you.